Today, we're tackling a topic that's near and dear to my heart: becoming the best version of yourself. It's a journey, not a destination. And I'm here to share some tips and tricks that have helped me along the way. First things first, let's ditch the perfection myth. There's no such thing as a perfect version of you. The goal isn't flawlessness, it's progress. It's about identifying areas where you want to grow and actively working towards improvement. So, how do we actually do that? Well, self-reflection is key. Take some time to honestly assess your strengths and weaknesses. What are you good at? What areas need work? Journaling can be incredibly helpful here. Write down your thoughts and feelings, identify patterns, and pinpoint areas for improvement. Next up, set SMART goals. That's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, "I want to be healthier," try, "I will exercise for 30 minutes, 3 times a week, for the next month." Breaking down large goals into smaller, manageable steps makes the process less overwhelming and more rewarding. Don't underestimate the power of learning. Continuously seek out new knowledge and skills. Read books, take online courses, listen to podcasts, whatever sparks your curiosity. Expanding your horizons will not only make you smarter, but also more confident and adaptable. And let's not forget the importance of self-care. This isn't selfish, it's essential. Make sure you're prioritizing your physical and mental health. Get enough sleep, eat nutritious food, exercise regularly, and find healthy ways to manage stress. This will give you the energy and resilience you need to tackle challenges. Finally, surround yourself with positive influences. Spend time with people who uplift and inspire you. Limit your exposure to negativity and toxic relationships. Your environment plays a huge role in your personal growth. Becoming a better version of yourself is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be setbacks, but don't let them discourage you. Learn from your mistakes, celebrate your successes, and keep moving forward. You've got this. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what strategies you use to improve yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.